Hello everybody, I'm going to present you today how to make a touch switch circuit like this one using just one MOSFET. Touch switch with just one single MOSFET transistor. This is the MOSFET in case. This is an IRFZ44N. This is a MOSFET and we're going to use it to make a touch switch. Basically, a touch switch is going to replace the old contact switch like this one. You can hear it, makes clicks. We're going to replace the old contact switch with a normal touch switch with just touching your fingers and boom, on and off, on and off. Alright then. For this project, we're going to need a MOSFET, as I told you, IRFZ44N. The MOSFET. It's got 3 pins. We're going to need a load. In our case is a 12 volt LED chip, but you can use the 12 volt LED light strip as well. There you go, one of these, some wires and a power source. First thing first, you have to test your power source and your load before you're going to connect to the touch switch, because this circuit in general is not going to be related to regulating the power supply, adjusting the power supply to the load. No, this is going to be just a project regarding a MOSFET that is going to replace the switch with a touch switch. That was it. Alright, so we're going to choose this one first to test the load. Yeah, so minus, let me see, this is minus and this is plus. There you go. So the load is alright, the power supply is okay, it's delivering power to the load. This one as well, we're gonna test it. Again, no, this is minus and this is plus. Here you go. So the load is alright. Okay. We're going to proceed first, before we're going to make the actual switch, to solder some wires to this MOSFET terminal here. Stay till the end, because I'm going to present you the circuit, the diagram, how to wire the MOSFET transistor as a touch switch. Alright, so stay tuned, you never know when it's going to be popping out the diagram. Alright folks. Okie dokie. Alright, we are back after we did solder the wires. You got here 3 terminals, as you're gonna see it, yeah? 3 terminals. I did solder them accordingly, with this one being red and this one being black, and this is a kind of brownish thing. Alright, so we're gonna connect the load to our MOSFET transistor according to diagram. Ta-da! This is a diagram, folks. Alright, so this is the MOSFET, got these 3 pins. This is the power supply, it's a battery, 9 volts one, and this is the load. The load meaning all LED bulb. Alright, so we're gonna put the bulb, the LED 12 volts one, crossing this pin here and the positive of the battery. The negative of the battery we're gonna connect it to the right hand side pin, and to make the light glow on as a switch, as a touch switch as well, we're gonna touch our finger this and this, boom, off, and this, boom. So on, off, on, off. All right, so let's proceed. We got a MOSFET here with the wires. We're gonna prepare ourselves to do the switch, touch switch actually. All right, so we got the load. All right, the positive side of the load is gonna go to the battery. The negative side of our load is gonna go to the middle pin. Very easy. This is a very easy, simple touch switch circuit. That's just using one MOSFET. You can get easier than this. Alright, so we have connected here the load to the middle pin of the transistor. This one, because it's gonna be the power side of the load, is gonna go to the battery, and the minus is gonna go to the other side. Alright, we're gonna put it here for you to see it. So we're gonna, yeah, let's bring some alligator clips. It's gonna be easier. It's easy peasy. All right, so plus to the plus, minus to this terminal. All right. So we have the connection. Left hand side pin of the transistor, middle and right hand side, and the load is in between them. Okay, this is the load, folks. This is the load. So we're gonna touch this one with a plus. See? Now I'm gonna touch this with a minus. Boom. Plus, minus. And we can make this one as a adjustable touch switch. If you want to touch slightly the positive terminal of the battery, look, oh, come on, yes, yes, full brightness, folks, and then boom. So there you have it, folks, how to make a touch switch using just one MOSFET transistor. Now you can put this project in a case like this, an old case from a power bank. You can extend these terminals as I did here, and we're gonna enclose this MOSFET transistor inside this box, and we're gonna see if we're gonna be able to power it with our awful and old school touch switch circuit. Alright then, so stay tuned. Friends, now we have all our project kind of assembled. This is the positive terminal, I'll put it to plus, and this is the minus terminal, we're gonna put it to the battery. Alright, so we got our power source, our touch switch kind of with the MOSFET transistor, and a load. Let's connect the load to our touch switch transistor thingy, and with our kind of rough buttons we're gonna do it. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Touch switch circuit with just one single MOSFET, friends. Here we go. Okay, I'm touching with my hands. Hop, on, off, on, off. How about that? On, off. So this is off and this is on. Here you go, friends. Yeah, this was it, friends. Touch switch with just one single MOSFET transistor. Thanks all for watching. See you next time. Whoop whoop. Yeah, baby. MOSFET rules, man. Woo woo.